Hello everybody, it's Apollyon here. Today I'm very excited to be going over Trypticon, which is a sample-based contact instrument developed by Sick Noise Instruments. It's got a bunch of sounds which are suited towards people who are producing high-tech, PsyTrance, psycho, whatever. It's got a nice blue tinge, so that's good for those late nights. And it's got a bunch of these sections here where we can modulate the sounds, the samples even further. So we've got the sound section where you can modulate the pitch, volume, which is pretty important because it tends to go in a little bit in the red, so just got to watch out for that. It's got the drive, and it's got the filter section, which has a high pass filter, low pass, band pass. We've got a delay section here with the rates, the feedback. You got envelope, we got LFO, we got chorus. So let's go in and have a listen to this and see what the first sound is like. What I've done is I've put some MIDI rhythm in here just to get us going. Let's take a listen to this. So that sounds pretty cool. Let's record that. Great, so I got this next sound for this this track I'm working on then. Have a listen to the next sound. This one here called Ashley. Let's listen to the next sound. Blaster lead. Oh, that filter sounds really good on this lead. Got another really aggressive FM sound. This one has a very different tonal quality to the other one, so it's nice to have that variation. So we got this freeze lead here, another kind of gritty FM sound that sounds really cool with the filter. So this one it seems to be calling out for a melody of some sort. Yeah, let's have a listen to the next sound. Some chiptune kind of sound here. Like that, it's got a big long reverb on it. Let's take a listen to the next sound. This one here sounds absolutely ferocious. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go through the keys and hear all the sounds individually. So there's over 100 sounds in this contact library. Oh, what a growl. Good one. That was a very interesting ending, that sound, don't you think? Nice. So I think this will be an interesting one to put some MIDI notes in and make a groove out of all the different sounds that we have available here. Just from playing around on the piano roll editor, we can choose all the different sounds and make a cool groove out of it. So I like that. I'm gonna record it. The next sound. That's awesome, just from changing the modulation on the LFO, the rate, you can actually make a rising sound out of this Mario lead. More of a downer sound, I should add. So for using something like the effects in Contact, you have a lot more options to change the sound. Good sound to use a filter on. Another very aggressive FM sounds. Oh, another sort of distorted, growly sound. I'm gonna record this one. And this one is called Remote is Broken Lead. Let's see what that sounds like. Cool, let's check out the next sound. And what a nice tail on that riser. I'm definitely going to be recording that one in. Wow, would you check out that impact sound? Psychedelic chaos. Check out the reverb on the end of that sound. Some really cool sound design. All ready for you to use without messing around. Let's have a listen to the next patch. Oh, check out those glitchy sounds. Sounds like another good one to use with the filter. Wow, check out that melodic hit. And again, we got control over the filter and the envelope. It really gives it much more of a plucky sound. That's nice to have that control. And pretty much how the name describes it. Yeah, you can have fun with that. Again, get that pluckiness with the envelope. So, that's a bunch of sounds that you can hear within Sick Noise Instruments Trypticon. While these sounds are great to use out of the box, I'd always suggest changing the sounds, manipulating the audio, time stretching it, pitch shifting it, chopping it up, sequencing it to fit within your musical composition. Here's an example I've done, 180 BPM PsyTrance. Now I will play the sounds without the kick and bass and the percussion so that you can hear all the sounds that were made using Trypticon, plus some external processing such as delay and some pitch shifting. So that's my overview of Trypticon by Sick Noise Instruments. If you like what you hear, then you can find links below to get your copy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.